Here.
Not anything from my parents, but like from a bunch of people. Oh wait a little while. Okay.
Go.
I got it. Okay, it's only one shot.
Go.
Yeah. Okay. Now. It didn't go anywhere.
Oh!
Hey, yeah. I broke it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys. Do it. You're liking nothing.
It's not going! Hurry up!
Stick it out. Hurry. Kick it under the spot.
Ah! It's okay.
Oh, it's a car!
Hey, buddy.
No, you don't want it in a car, it's hard.
Throw it under his car.
Oh!
Yeah, throw it under his car. See what happens.
Oh, do it.
It won't ruin it. Yeah, do it. Hold on.
Yours?
It won't do anything.
Are you retarded?
It won't do anything.
Are you retarded?
It won't explode.
will.
It's not on.
No,
Doesn't matter.
the gas tank on the bottom.
Doesn't matter, Dylan.
Oh shit, don't do that.
You're retarded. You probably would have tried it.